Ooh, that's some dusty ass dust.
Anyways. Alright, today we're gonna upgrade my PC. We're gonna upgrade from Intel, switching to AMD, switching to DDR4 RAM, and shit. I don't know. Probably break the PC halfway in. Let's check it.
Alright, and how does that make you feel?
Make me feel? 50% excited, 50% damn, we're gonna fry this shit.
Strong boy.
Let's see this bad boy.
Alright.
Oh shit.
Fucking dust though.
Damn, Corona's out here.
Alright, can you walk your fan through what type of parts are in this piece of trash now?
Yo, respect.
Still better than my PC though.
Crazy.
See, we got that zip-tied SSD, very classy.
Yeah. So, so far, starting off, we got the Intel i3, 8 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM, 120 SSD, a 1 terabyte fucking hard drive, which I broke before and had to replace, 430 watts power supply, which maybe I should have upgraded that to, but who cares? 1050 Ti, and fucking cables.
Cables, very important. Alright.
And that should be all. That is all. And my home theater case.
Alright. So these parts, we're keeping the power supply, we're keeping the case, the SSD.
We're keeping all the hard drive. So far, my video card. Maybe upgrading it soon. We'll see. But everything else is out of this shit.
Nice.
We're out of this shit.
What graphics card was it you were thinking of upgrading to?
A 1060 Super.
Ooh.
So we could use, RTX Minecraft, dude.
Hell yeah.
It's all about the RTX Minecraft.
And we're back, folks. We managed to get the storage drives out. And now we're witnessing the consequences of shitty cable management.
Says the person behind the camera. This is pretty good cable management. It's all right.
I deny all allegations that I was the one who cable managed. It was Alejandro.
The zip lines have your name on it. I'm just saying. Okay.
Thoughts?
Over-reliable. And these RAMs are going to be donated to the Golden Plebes Foundation.
I
I don't think it's going to pick up. Isn't that wonder? Yeah, I don't think this guy's picking up. This is bitch.
Alright, Andres were over there working on some cleaning. So we'll give you guys a glamour shot of all these new parts we got. Starting with the heart of it all, we got an MSI motherboard, compatible with AMD CPUs with the new chipset. And we got 32 gigs of some beautiful DDR4 RAM, Got our OS loaded up on this USB right here. I'm going to be rocking some Windows 10. Then, for the heart of the operation, we got AMD. Oh, fuck, what type is it? Ryzen 5 3600. I knew that.
Damn, I have to like open it.
Alright, what's next, Alejandro?
I have to open up the CPU.
Alright.
Nah, fuck that shit. Alright.
Oh, no.
Let's have some fun right here.
Hell yeah. Got that beautiful cooler. Damn, even the cooler looks sexier than Intel. Intel be damned. Ooh.
Yeah, the AMD fans are pretty nice.
Beautiful.
They're more thicker. Well, let me put this back.
Damn, even the cable looks nicer. It's got that nice braided cable. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, there she is.
Course looking pretty nice. No breaking course yet.
So we have to peel something off of there. Oh, I think we do.
Do it. No?
Really?
Take a few.
Have you on camera? How do you feel?
And then,
I'm on camera?
yeah. Oh wait, I
Oh.
flipped it.
Alright, how do you feel? We're making a video out of this.
Feel good.
What do you think of this PC building adventure so far?
I think PC is going to be great, but he needs to buy a better GPU.
Alright, that's fair, that's fair.
That is fair, but
How confident are you that we're not going to fuck it up?
50-50.
50-50.
See, I told you.
Alright, for all our viewers, it's important to test all your components before you put it in the PC case, in case something's broken.
For real.
Look at the hard worker.
There you go.
Is the little switch on?
Whatever. This happens sometimes.
This is a recurring thing?
Now, because you take it off, right? Sometimes it. Wait, am I?
Oh, we're stupid. The power button isn't hooked up to anything.
Bruh.
It's those two. Oh,
There you
it
go.
works. Yeah.
Wait, so what did you do? Did you short it?
Yeah.
Just with the screwdriver.
Dude, how quiet is this shit? What
Okay.
the fuck?
That's really quiet, but it's not posting.
Fine. The thing.
Did you learn?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, there. Let's see
Oh.
if it searches again.
well, no signal.
Wait. Really?
All right, ladies and gents, we are having some trouble, but yeah, we can see right here.
Dude, look at the specs.
Everything looks good.
Uh,
All right, for all our viewers, after some short intermission, the motherboard is all of a sudden in place, thanks to gravity.
for real.
We love gravity.
Not really.
Wait, what are you doing?
Alright, ladies and gents, I'll show you. Arguably, the worst part about building a PC
What?
Connected
is putting in all these tiny little I/O cables. So, like, we gotta, all those tiny little pins, we gotta connect them. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah. God, that sucked. All this effort for this shit. Took 4 screws, but it's finally in.
Interesting.
Alright, ladies and germs. Moment of truth. I'm just connecting the HDMI cable. Everything's installed. Cable management is shit.
What's new?
SSDs are installed. Who thought the SSDs would betray us and be one of the hardest parts of this build? Alright.
Ready?
And moment of truth. Oh.
That was weird.
You're on the monitor?
No, nothing's spinning up.
Wait.
Oh man.
We'll be right back.
Oh wait, where's Windows on the NVMe on the M2?
Right now. Bitch! Yes! Let's go!
It worked. How did it know?
We got the 1% luck!
As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, looks like everything's pretty good. We've got our 3.6 gigs of CPU speed, 3200 megahertz of RAM speed, and we got our 4 drives for a total of, what, like 2.5 gigs? Terabytes?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. But now, we have no idea how to fix this fucking boot order. Alright, computer science graduate versus BIOS. Who wins?
Is there really no other one? What did it do now? That's like.
I don't know. Let's see. Moment of truth. Let's see if the OS actually survived the transfer.
I'll say 50-50.
Pedro, what do you say? Will it survive?
50-50.
50-50. Bets are placed.
Another Windows should do.
Oh, there
Getting
you go.
device ready. Well,
Oh.
it got stuck in 57% like a Windows.
Classic Windows move.
Classic Windows.
77.
Another classic Windows move. Watch, and then it's gonna go like 95. Damn, it's taking a little bit longer in the 77s, like a Windows.
Damn, slow ass SSD.
Damn, for real, actually.
Ayo Garcia.
Got him. Watch all my shit vanish. Oh, there we go.
Alright.
There we
Let's see
go.
all these beautiful drives. Oh.
Oh.
Whatever.
Popping up.
Too much shit popped up. What I like is it's quiet.
That is really quiet, yeah.
Even that fan. I'm ready for 1Q.
God damn it.
Should I just leave?
Yeah, just trying to get it has like the one with 57.
I click this one.
41. What happens when we actually spawn?
Yeah, that's a question.
Damn.
That looks really good.
Yeah.
Alright.
Look at the graph. Look at everything.
Oh, pick up ammo.
At 60, 40. You're not dropping below 40, so that's good. Same as Modern Warfare.
Yeah, for Ultra.
Look at those effects. You can see all those particles.
Alright, that's it. Wait, do I die? Yeah.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, everybody. Did it. We finally did it after a lot of hassles. 3 times the BIOS didn't show up. At first we thought we broke it because it didn't even show up at all on the screen. The PC's all set up. Oh, fuck this shit.